There's a windstorm here in Florida, but it's not from the tornado that we're currently experiencing. It's from this. It's the GOOLOO F5, and this thing will blow you away. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna kick it off right now. First, let's go ahead and compare it to canned air. This canned air is fine. It gets rid of some of the air, but it runs out quickly and there's not much pressure. Then, let's compare it here. Let's move something around. Able to clean the entire area even at a distance. Not small sections, I'm talking real power. Next we have some water from our garden hose. Let's see how it moves that. Let's see a can of air do that. Wow. All right, it's kind of cold outside, so we're gonna move inside so I can show you a few more things. Next up, single button press, it stays on, so single button. Then from there, I love the fact that I can go ahead and switch out tips. So we can get that concentrated air, pop that out. We can go ahead and get a nice flat, you can blow dry your hair with this. I don't have a lot of hair, but that's pretty cool. Then we've got this tip as well, we can swap them in and out. On top of all of that, this is USB-C chargeable, and it does come with the USB-C charging cables that you need. And you can easily swap out batteries to never have to worry about a battery being dead. Charge one over here, use one over here, swap, quick swap, and you're good to go without a word to say. And I love the fact that I never have to buy expensive canned air again. Those big canned air companies, that can get costly. But now I can clean my keyboards, clean my numbers, and get rid of that unnecessary cat hair in a cost-effective manner. So I took a few notes here, and I do want to mention them. First off, I love the fact that I never have to stop cleaning. Yeah, that's a big selling point for me, and it should be a big selling point for you as well, that you never have to worry about that battery running down because you can swap it out easily and efficiently. In addition, you get that extreme power, 180,000 RPM, that is going to blast dust at 57 meters per second. That's pretty cool. All-in-one versatility with all those nozzles. You got 4 nozzles. It's great for PCs, for cars, for ACs, for home, and outdoor use as well. It's planet-friendly, rechargeable, waste-free. You're not getting rid of cans. And, of course, it's feather-light and ergonomic to where I can take it just about anywhere. Let's test how powerful this is. Not bad. I don't know that my leaf blower could do that. Let's go ahead and use it to clean out the back of my Jeep as well. Very nice. This thing is powerful. So folks, for ours, we absolutely love those swappable batteries. That is very cool. We love that it has the trigger mechanism and it'll stay on. It also has LED lights right on the bottom to show you how much battery remains. And yeah, this is a powerful device that we love and we know you're going to love as well. Now, it does have a very nice GOOLOO branded carrying case that we can carry our instruction manual in, that we can carry our USB-C in, that we can carry all of our tips in. That's really nice. And of course we can carry and or charge that extra battery very easily and efficiently. And again, USB-C fast charging to where you never have to worry about running out of power, and you never have to worry about, having to run to the store and get a new can of air. So more powerful than a can of air. Fast recharge, dual swappable batteries, and technology like we've never seen before. So folks, if you're looking for something that is better than the competition, you gotta trust this brand. They have a great reputation for having practically a 0 defect rate. On behalf of 911 Studios, I highly recommend you go pick one up. You're gonna be blown away. And don't forget, it's got that lanyard to where you can carry it on your wrist and take it just about anywhere. Thanks for watching. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you. but it's time to get to shopping. Adios, amigos.